Nee-Nee, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a wig review and install on this wig that you see on my head. It is from Amazon Nadula hair, and they sent it over to review. If you're interested in seeing how I'm going to install this wig, definitely keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at PinupsAndPearls. And let's get into the video.
Money, everybody mad. Think of getting too much money. Everybody mad.
Alright, so your wig is gonna come in this box, you guys. It is black and gold. I really this, out of all the wigs that I've gotten, this one is definitely my favorite because these are like my favorite colors. You're gonna get your headbands on the inside, and of course your wig. And they also sent over some wig caps, but I took it out the box. I took everything out the box. And the wig was in a plastic bag, and there were these little plastic tabs on the headband part. Now you got your little Velcro thing in the back. So it's got 4 combs on the inside, and this is the first one that I've gotten that didn't have the adjustable straps in the back. But of course you can secure the wig with the headband. This hair is in a natural brown black color. It is 150% density. It's 20 inches long. To me, it looks a little bit invisible on the end, so we're gonna see what it looks like after I comb it out, because I'm definitely not gonna keep it in this pattern. But yeah, just to me, it looks a little bit thinner on the ends. And I think that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. As you can see, I already got my wig cap on, and my swoops are swooping. And yeah, let's go ahead and install it. So what you do is put the wig on, and you can secure it with the comb if you wanted to. I'm just going to secure the back on because I don't have the adjustable straps. And I'm going to clip the hair up if it'll stay. This clip was acting crazy in my last video. And then you go ahead and take the little straps and connect them in the back. Lord, they're very strong. And boom, your wig is on, and you almost ready to go. But me, like I said, I'm not gonna leave these curls in here like this, because no, this looks crazy. Alright, so I got the wig on, and I'm just gonna take this wide tooth comb and comb out the curls because I want it like bigger. Remember from my last one, well, if you saw my last video, I was amazed at how big my forehead was. So in order to kind of minimize the size of my forehead, I need to make this hair bigger. And I don't like these curls together like this. This look like crochet hair, and I so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and comb these out and see what we're working with. Oh, I see something. I see something. I see something. I see something. Nadula. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, that is a complete and total difference from this over here and this right here. This right here is gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, let me go ahead and comb this other side out, because that is pretty. I love that. I love big hair. I'm just making sure I got all the curls combed out, because I am gonna go in with a little bit of what is it, Lotta Body foam. Got a little bit of hair on there, not a lot, but y'all know curly hair sheds. Oh my god, what is that over there? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, I am in love with this. Y'all, this got to be my favorite wig that they done seen, cause girl, this one is cute. Oh, this one is so cute. Oh my god. Nadula, I see you, sis. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I just took my little foam and I'm gonna put it over these top curls just to kind of define it a little bit so it don't look as what's the word I want to say, I don't know, undefined, I guess. I don't know, girl, whatever. But I definitely love this. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I'm gonna have to tighten that Velcro up. I'm absolutely in freaking love with this wig. Oh my god, I haven't had a wig like this in so long. Y'all don't understand. I used to wear my hair like this in high school, and I freaking love this. Oh, it's so cute. See, I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see what it look like in the back. Of course I can't see it, but who cares what the back look like, but the front look good. It looks so bomb. I love this too much. Alright, so I'm gonna try on some of the headbands that they sent, just so y'all can get like an idea of what they look like. Slide it over your head and put it right on top. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I don't know what. This is too cute. Y'all just want to pose and take my pictures. It's too cute. Alright, so this is a pink one. Has like flowers on it. Real cute, real simple like. This one is the one that actually came with that I think it was a Unice wig. The last headband wig that I got, but I couldn't find it, and I'm just gonna try this one on. Boom. Easy. Out the door in 5 minutes. I don't have a rubber band right now, but this would be super cute pulled up in a little ponytail. Lord have mercy, Jesus. See, this is why we need adjustable straps, because the comb ain't just gonna stay back there. You should put some straps in this wig. But yeah, still cute. And the last one that I have is this blue one. It's like a silk or satiny navy blue one, and it has flowers on it. See? Real cute. But since none of those match what I got on, I'm just gonna rock the black one. Rock the one that's on the wig. I'm getting like a little bit of hair like that's coming out from me combing through the curls or whatever. But I feel like you can expect that with curly hair. I feel like straight hair and body wave are the ones that really don't shed like that. And then again, it could also be the construction of the wig. But yeah, I am loving this so far, you guys. It is too freaking cute. Alright, y'all, so here is the wig. Again, the final look of it. Again, this is from Amazon Nadula hair. It is 150% density. It comes in a natural brown black color. This is a 20-inch wig. It's on Amazon right now for $135.30. I believe that's it. It's from Nadula hair, if I didn't already say that. Thank you to Nadula for sending me this wig over to review. I really love it because it is just too bomb. Oh my god, I love it. This is one of my favorite wigs. I'm wearing this one all the time. And I think that's it, you guys. Of course, I'll leave everything in the description down below to where you can get this wig. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at PinupsAndPearls. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!